In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a blog template on Hubspot using the Clean 6 method in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started on this easy to follow process. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice their array of tools and software options, which are great for businesses big and small. But for today, let's focus on setting up your blog template. Now that you're on the home page, look for the login option. It should be at the top right corner of the page. Click on log in. If you already have an account, you'll want to enter your credentials, your email and password. If you're new to HubSpot, you might want to take a brief moment to set up an account. It's intuitive and takes just a few steps to get started. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home dashboard. From this homepage, let's move forward by going to the content section. Click on it, and this is where all the magic begins. It's essentially your playground where you'll create, manage and customize various content types. You're doing great so far. Once you are in the content area, the next click you'll make is on Design Manager. This section is your toolkit for all things design related, enabling you to craft beautiful pages and templates. Pay attention here as this step is crucial for setting up your blog template properly. After you've entered the Design Manager, you may encounter a prompt to continue. Simply click on Continue to Design Manager and you'll be taken to the primary interface where most design operations occur. Feel free to explore this space later. It's pretty robust with features and options you might find beneficial. Now it's time to create your new blog template file. In the Design Manager, there should be a button labeled Create a New File. Go ahead and click on that. This is the last major step in our quick setup process. Once you click, you'll be given a few options for the type of file to create. Choose template and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your blog template in HubSpot using the Clean 6 method. Remember, the key here is exploration and customization to really make the template work for your needs. So take some time to play around with the settings and make the most out of HubSpot's tools. Thanks for joining me today and happy blogging.